Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizard Gamer and today we are again playing Carnivores Dinosaur Hunter. So today I bought a shotgun. Here it is. And I thought I should go and hunt some dinosaurs with it. So let's go. Also, these dinosaurs have weaknesses. You can read it from help or something. It's so hard because recording makes it glitchy. Or I just suck. But never mind, if it is glitchy, you can still do it. There it is. I'm not gonna use shotgun on Pachycephalosaurus, cause dude. So we got one. How does it how doesn't it hear the shooting? Wait. I'm a spy. Yeah. Next time I'm gonna kill any dinosaur, I will let it eat grass. Oh, he's fucked up. Stay, please, down. Yeah. Okay, now you went into the archaeologist outpost now. No. You little pack of skull. No. Still got some blood here. Okay, there's no way I can fuck this up with shotgun now. So where? Gotcha. You ain't gonna run away from me anymore. Cause you're dead now. I'm probably going into my trophy room. Ooh, a Parasaurolophus. Only 7 bullets left. The good point is... Oh, Stegosaurus, huh? Yeah, I'm not ready for carnivores. If I can't even shoot Pachycephalosaurus down. Wait, I did. I shot it and it's dead. So guess when I'm going to hunt allosaurs soon. But first I'm gonna buy Fort Siskin and 10 allosaurs. What the heck just happened? It like died to a bloodlust. What? Don't understand. You guys saw it, I didn't shoot 2 bullets. Yeah, I guess I'm not gonna wait. I earned 72 credits. Oh guys, I'm gonna show you that dinosaurs have weaknesses. So let's take my personal favorite stegosaurs. The target zone of this specimen is the head area. But if I shoot the head, I shot the head. That's why it died. Neck and back, I always shoot there. So a Margosaurus looks like haven't got any weaknesses. So yeah. Left side of the heart, head, neck and back. Also mystery. Head, neck and back. Oh, y'all again. Throw them is a mystery. Spinosaurus. Head, neck or chest. Mystery. I'm gonna say mystery because there aren't said anything about those weaknesses. So you have to like figure it out yourself. Neck, back and thigh areas. Left side of the heart. Mystery. And here's said only expert hunters. The target on this specimen is only in the eye area. So and here are some others, even included Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus is my favorite non-hunting, not scored dinosaur. Because it's kind of cool to see like retro dinos. And yeah, so here are some stuff like weapons, hunting accessories, and lots more. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, comment, and peace out.